US Plastic carries a full line of Tamco modified bottles, carboys, jerry cans, and fort packs, offering you the choice of many different sizes and styles of containers and spigot combinations. Tamco takes high-quality containers from recognizable brands and modifies them with Boss weld fittings, tubulation, spigots, handles, and more. We offer a wide array of options, but if you don't find what you're looking for, we're able to do custom modifications to meet your particular needs. Our modified graduated ladle has a 10-inch long, solid polypropylene handle attached to a small container with a pouring lip. With superior chemical resistance, it's handy for dispensing corrosive liquids, sampling, and general laboratory use. All size beakers have easy-to-read silkscreen graduations, resin codes, and maximum use temperature. This graduated ladle has ribs for easy stacking, and it meets the ISO DIS 7056 international standards for laboratory plasticware accuracy. For more information on our full line of Tamco modified containers or any of our other Tamco products, visit us online at usplastic.com or call us at 800-537-9724. Thanks for watching.